Hey guys, welcome to the channel. My name is Ryan. If you're brand new here, welcome. I just wanted to make a quick video to tell you what this channel is all about, what you'll see in the upcoming videos. Number one, the primary focus for me is to help all the streamers in the world reach their full potential and hit their goals. So I'm going to be making videos on tips on how to improve your stream, either on Twitch, Facebook, or even YouTube. Number two, we're going to be doing reviews. Product reviews, whether it be gear or games or even energy drinks, because I'm a big fan of energy drinks. Number three, we're also going to be doing some Let's Plays, some games that I wouldn't normally stream, a little bit older, probably some old school Nintendo games or some RPGs or something like that, because I'm pretty old and I remember playing those games. So if you're down to watch stuff like that, make sure that you hit that subscribe button and hit the bell, and I'll see you guys in the next video.